So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Adani Power share. So there are few updates regarding Adani Power. So we'll discuss each and every point. So before starting regarding Adani Power, I want to tell you that today market condition again is in volatile situation. So we know that it has opened with gap up. Later again, due to certain global factors, again it has started falling down. So what is the major reason? The same thing again, the bond yield, you can see it is at almost 1.692%, which is highest since January 2020. On that note, the US futures basically they started correcting and our market also started falling. So that's what I told in Instagram also. Beginners, whoever they're taking any position, I told let the market settle and then only trade accordingly if you're doing any intraday or swing, because if the market is volatile, ultimately the stock also fluctuates up and down. So little loss making chances are maximum. So that's why I told trade cautiously. If you're already aware of these type of situations, then well and good, trade with stop loss and see good quality stocks. Better to trade in blue chip stocks, and if you're holding any long term stocks, so that also would be beneficial. Okay, so and join the Telegram group as well. So in Telegram we'll discuss all the latest updates. So today also Adani Power update I've posted in the Telegram itself. Okay, so you have downloaded this particular letter. So clearly you can see it was given by Adani Power, and the date also you can see today's date, that is March 18, 2021. And clearly in that you can see the Supreme Court. Let me mark that. So Supreme Court has dismissed the review petitions filed by Rajasthan Discoms, and you can see which was going on in the court as well since the last year. We know that the compensated tariffs which were to be received by Adani Power, so roughly 5,000 crore. So there are various reasons. So previously also we have discussed. So when first we discussed about Adani Power, so that time also we discussed regarding these. So now when the Rajasthan Discoms has put the petition, so that has been cancelled by Supreme Court. So whenever we discuss about Adani Power, I update each and everything. So whether it may be insider deal, small concepts also I try to cover, so that it will be in depth clear for all the investors. So today also we'll see the 90 rupees level, so which it is trying to sustain very well. So will it close above that, or will it show any correction? So what will be the next targets as well? So that also we'll discuss. So make sure if you're having any doubt regarding any stock, you can message me in Instagram as well. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. Okay, so we're back onto the technical chart. So today mainly we'll focus on technical. So these are very important. So you can see the technical charts when the continuous rally that we have seen. So mainly I tell you Adani stocks, whatever Adani stock may be, so we know that fundamentals of the stock won't be that great. But why the stock goes? Definitely you know, because the government is under his support. So whatever the actions he do, government takes necessary actions, they support him. You know that BJP government is in favor of Mr. Gautam Adani. So that's why whatever the stock may be, his wealth also is doubling. So when we have confidence that much, then definitely the stocks which they are listed, they will also start going up. So clearly you can see when it has started its rally, slightly it has shown the correction, where here it has shown small correction from 85 rupees level, and again it has taken support near 75. Now again it has started continuing. So daily we are seeing almost 5% movement. So today what was the major reason? It is fluctuating. So basically the market is volatile. So little bit of fluctuations are present from Nifty also, from positive side it has gone to negative. So on that note also the stock is fluctuating. And another important thing is money flow index as well. So money flow index also is showing some little overbought region. So that's why, so any correction happens, try to buy at that particular dip. Okay. So if you're already holding this particular stock from low level, so let's say from 75, 70, so definitely hold it. Don't do any selling. So people who are willing to buy, then definitely you need to wait for 85 rupees level. So that would be best entry if any correction happens. So mark the words, if any correction happens, so then only buy near 85. Otherwise, wait and watch if you want to invest. So don't try to enter in a bull rally. So that will be little risky. So that is what I can say. And another important thing is that not only in this particular stock, so many stocks are in now correction stage. Again, today also we have seen some good correction. So try to buy some good quality stocks. So we have discussed some very good stocks. So try to accumulate. And if you want any further suggestions also, you can message me. So I will tell separate stocks as well. Okay. Okay, so when we see in weekly chart also, you can see the same thing. Whenever it goes 1 week upside, again 1 week it shows little bit of correction. Again next week it starts going up. So next week again it is going to be crucial for Adani Power. So important support, as I told, 75 to 85. So these are very important levels that we need to watch out. So if you have not put these indicators, especially 50 exponential moving average, 200 exponential moving average, try to put them as well. So they will be very beneficial, not for this stock but for other stocks as well. Okay. So support wise we have discussed. So target is very important. So today we know that upper circuit value is 93 rupees. So if it gives upper circuit, then Monday it will be very crucial. We can take 90 as support and we can take targets of 100. Okay. If everything goes well, if market settles and if the US bond deal, so that also settles, so then only we can expect that particular positive moment. Okay, so stay updated in Telegram as well as in YouTube as well, so that any instant update I'm quickly posting. So until then, take care. Bye bye.